Hello traders. Very often you must have found yourself in a situation when you have built a strategy and you are using some or the other technical indicator on a particular candle. But what happens is that the technical indicator on some candles matches with your charts that you are seeing, but on other candles, like if you change the candle time frame to something different, then it doesn't match. And it may be very confusing to you why such a thing happens. So in order to break this down and simplify it, I'll just walk you through how are the candle time frames computed on Tradetron. This is so that you can make more sense of what is happening in your strategy behind the scenes. So if you see any chart, you will see that there are some smaller time frames that are mentioned, like 1 minute, 2 minute, and 10 minutes, and so on. So these time frames are basically what the Tradetron system will follow. Okay, so I'll just show you this notepad where I have covered this thing. So generally on Tradetron, the candle time frame for any NSC strategy, so any future and option Nifty strategy, um, NSE and NFO strategy, these will be the time frames that will be followed. So since market opens at 9:15 in the morning, your first 1 minute candle will happen from 9:15 to 9:16. And this is exactly the same what is followed on the chart. So it will be from 9:15, then 9:16, then 9:17, and so on. And it will keep going by 1 minute. So this should match the charts that you are seeing. When you see a 2 minute candle, now 2 minute candle will not match the charts because on Tradetron, the first 2 minute candle is basically from 9:15 to 9:16. And then the next candle is from 9:16 to 9:18, and then 18 to 20, 20 to 22, and so on. So this is how the 2 minute candle will work on Tradetron. So in this 2 minute candle, what happens is that your chart providers generally use 2 minutes as 9:15 to 9:17, 17 to 19, 19 to 21, and so on. So this is one reason why the timings are different. So timings are different, and thus your candles will not match, and because your candles are not matching, it is natural that your indicators that are being calculated based on these candles will also not match. Now let's look at 3 minutes. So 3 minute will start from 9:15, go on to 9:18, 21, 24, and so on. So this will again match your charts. The 5 minute candles will again match your chart. They go from 9, 15, 20, 25, 30, and so on. And even on the charts, they would be the same. 10 minute candles are something that doesn't match. So wherever something doesn't match, I'll just mark it with an asterisk so that it is easy for you to understand. Sorry. Yeah, so the 10 minute candle will not match. So 10 minute candles on Tradetron would start from 9:15 and go to 9:20. So 9:15 to 20 will be the first candle, 20 to 30 will be the next 10 minute candle, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, and so on. Whereas on charts, it would be 9:15 to 9:25, 9:25 to 35, 35 to 45, and so on. So this is a very major difference, because of which a lot of people like on 10 minute candles get very confused while building their strategies. 15-minute candles would match according to the charts. 30 minutes is again one example which will not match with the charts. So 9:15 to 9:30 would be the first 30-minute candle, and after that it would be 9:30 to 10, 10:30, 11, 11:30, and so on. Whereas in the charts, what it would be is 9:15 to 9:45, 9:45 to 10:15, and so on. So this is the difference that you would see. 45-minute candle will again be different from charts. Again on Tradetron, your first 45-minute candle is 9:15 to 45, and then 45 to 10:30, 11:15, and so on. And this will keep continuing. 75-minute candle is again not going to match, because it will be 9:15 to 10:30 as the first 75-minute candle. Post that 11:45, then 1300, and so on. And 1300 is nothing but 1 o'clock. Um, Now coming up to the hourly candles. So on Tradetron, the all the hourly candles will basically start from 9:15 and go to 10. So 9:15 to 10 is the first 1 hour candle. Then from 10 to 11 will be the second, and 11 to 12, and 12 to 1, and so on. So this is how it will work. Whereas on charts, it will be 9:15 to 10:15, 10:15 to 11:15, 11:15 to 12:15, and so on. So again, in hourly candles, there will be a skew of around 15 minutes that you'll have to like take into consideration. On the 2-hour candles will again be different. So 9:15 to 10 will be the first 2-hour candle, 10 to 12, 12 to 14, and so on. So again, this may not match because most chart providers would have it from 9:15 to 11:15, 11:15 to 12:15, and so on. Same for 3-hour candles. 3-hour candles will again be different. So they start at 9:15. The first one ends at around at 12 o'clock, and then it will go to 3 o'clock as the next 3-hour candle. The 4-hour candle will also follow a similar pattern and thus not match charts. The day candle will be straightforward. I mean, it will work just normally. The weekly candle, like when you select 1 week as a candle, every week on Tradetron is calculated based on a Sunday to Sunday basis. So the open, high, low, and close values will be based on whatever was the open of Monday and high between the entire week between Monday and Friday, and low between the entire week between Monday and Friday. So this is some key pieces of information. This is very similar to what TradingView does with extended market hours data charts. So we hope you found this video helpful. If you have any other queries or anything you would like to learn from us, feel free to drop us a mail at support@Tradetron.tech. We would also encourage you to like, comment, and subscribe. It helps us a lot and it gives the video more reach so that the entire community can benefit out of it. Thank you very much.